Hey, Eagle Run 23 here. Got a package in the mail from Palmetto State Armory with a few goodies in it. Let's see what we have here. Alright. Bushnell TRS-25. Alright. Some speer gold dot. Now this is, well, that one's 55 green, 55 green, 55 green, and this one is 72 grain. Okay, I also got a package from Amazon, and these are some 9mm snap caps. I have some other ones that are just like these, but I'd like to have a few more. I wanted to have a few here at my bench for testing and things, and I needed a couple more for my range bag. So the cool thing about snap caps is I don't have a magazine here. I do have a magazine here. They load up just like regular ammo, and you can chamber them, and you can dry fire on them, and they eject. So they're good for practice. They're good for some gunsmithing, and pretty handy. Alright, let's take a closer look at this gold dot. I've done a review on this if you want to check it out. I'm a big fan of this. I've never shot it before. I did not know it existed. I didn't know what a GDSP round was. This is a gold dot 55 grain. The GDSP stands for gold dot soft point. So my one of my ARs, I call it my hog gun, it had been finicky, and so I picked this stuff up and tried it. I did a review on it. It's great. My gun loves it, and I wanted to try. I saw that they made a 75 grain and wanted to give it a shot. So this is a 75 grain. It's a little bit heavier, so we'll give that a try. Alright, I've been looking forward to this Bushnell coming in. Alright, Palmetto State Armory ran a deal on these the other day, and I saw it and thought I would pick it up. They were $69. This is the Bushnell TRS-25. They were $69 with free shipping. So these are a great little optic. I don't have a high-rise one. I have a regular one on another gun, and I really like it. And so I thought I'd pick one up. This is going to go on the Beretta CX4 Storm, and I think it's going to be just perfect for that gun. Comes with a cleaning cloth, warranty, registration card. I started collecting these little Allen keys that come with everything, and an instruction manual. So this high-rise mount that it comes on, this came with it, and it should put this up higher with my iron sights so that everything co-witnesses. So I'll get that mounted up and show that to you another time. But these are great because you can just kind of put something in there and turn them, or kind of too big for a screwdriver, but anything hand tight, get those things to stay on there. It's not a quick detach, but it would come off pretty quickly.